work on a garbage disposal. I had the garbage disposal, it's over 20 years old. It's been leaking through the bottom, which is not really good electrical wise. So anyway, let's go through the disassembling process and the troubleshooting process to see what's going on already. So first, disconnect the electrical cord ASAP. You have to take a flat screwdriver and remove the drain line. Be careful, you should have some remaining water in it. Put it in a bucket or keep it upright. I will put on the line so it stays up. Gonna unscrew that, get it apart, and then the only thing you need to do, generally I use a couple of screwdrivers. You have those little nuts right here. You have 3 all the way around. You just need 2 of them and turn like that. Be careful because it's gonna get up down with weight. Turn counterclockwise to remove the ring. And then hold it, and here we go, and it comes apart, and then just slide it out just as is. So now we're gonna take it apart.